Hey guys, it's Millie, and today I am at White Sands National Monument, which is like a national park in New Mexico. It's like near Alamogordo. I don't know if it's in Alamogordo or near Alamogordo, but it's in like that area. So it's like a whole bunch of like sand dunes, so that's why it's called White Sands. And me and my family are going to be doing a hike, so I thought that I'd kind of vlog a little bit of the hike and do like a short little vlog of our trip. So if you're interested in watching us go around White Sands National Monument, then you can just keep on watching. Look guys, we found a bug. They said we want to see any wildlife, but they lied. It's a bug. Oh my gosh, you did not just do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, that bug just got bamboozled. Oh my gosh.
Come back to your vlog and say that we don't want it to look like you killed it.
Oh, it lived. Thank goodness.
Oh no, now it's mad.
Oh my gosh. Everybody run.
Eric's got it looking really
Oh
mad.
my gosh. All right, it's a little scary. We've only walked 20 feet and we've already had a situation. No more killing bugs. I'm gonna try and sled down one of these dunes in a minute, but it's really hard, so we'll see how that goes. This dune might be good enough. I might attempt this dune. I'm gonna do it. We'll see how this dune goes. I'm hoping it goes good. Here we go. Woo! That worked out pretty good. Oh my gosh, it's really hard to get up though. Alright, successful first dune sledding. Alright.
That's pretty easy.
That was an interesting tactic. I was not expecting that, but alright.
He's gonna take off. There he goes. Hey! Don't step on it. Watch out around the bushes. Alright, let him be. Don't freak him out too much.
Look at him.
He might jump his tail.
Okay, bye Mr. Lizard. Have a good day.
Say some last words.
I'm gonna die. Thanks and gig. Oh my gosh. Ah!
What are you doing?
I'm combing the desert. All right, we have found a dead centipede being eaten by ants. That's kind of cool.
Cool and sad.
Cool and sad, you're right. Just the way of life. But we're almost there. Oh my gosh, I see people. Oh my gosh, we see people. I mean,
The first people we've seen in
we gotta
hours.
be almost there, man.
Hours.
Yeah, the first people we've actually seen in hours. This is crazy. We're
I mean, they're
almost.
pretty far
We're
away,
almost
but-
there. We're almost there. That's probably where the parking lot is.
Or the very beginning of this trail.
Yeah, and then we just have a few more to follow, and then we'll be there. So,
Yep. Almost made
thank the Lord for that. Okay, guys, we now see the parking lot in our car, so that means that we have finished the 5-mile Alkali Flat Trail. What is it?
Alkali Flat Trail.
Alkali
It's
Flat.
not flat.
It is not. Do not be fooled. It is not
In just
flat.
over 3 hours.
Just over 3 hours. They say it takes about 3 hours to complete. So, whew, that's nice.
Right on.
Have anything to say, Mother?
That's that marker that we started at.
Oh, nice. Have anything to say, Mother?
Woo! 5 miles.
That's right. I can't believe we lived. I did not. There were parts I did not think I was coming back. I just thought it was it. I was like, all right, I'm gonna be buried in the sand. It's fine. Where do we consider us done?
That marker? Trailhead. It doesn't really matter. We made it.
Woo! Nice. Whew. Did someone just leave their shirt here?
I don't know.
I mean, honestly, low-key want to leave my shirt here too. Okay guys, it's now the next day. So after our little hike on the Alkali Flat Trail or whatever it's called, we went back to the house and we went for another hike, but I didn't vlog that. We were just hanging out and I was super tired, so I did not have the energy to vlog and hike. We're heading over to do something else, so I will update you when we get there. Okay guys, guys, we are starting the hike to some petroglyphs now. He said that the guy who like told us everything, like watch out for rattlesnakes, first of all. Kind of scared. Apparently there's a lot of them. Just really hoping that we don't see one. But he said that it's not far of a little hike to the first set of petroglyphs, so we should be seeing some very quickly. Oh look, we're going across this cute little bridge. Yeah, so hopefully we don't see any snakes, and hopefully we get to those petroglyphs soon. This might be something, I don't know, you can't really make it out though. We're continuing up. Oh, here's some. But there's a really good one right there. This kind of looks like some kind of animal. I don't think you can see this one, so I'll probably have to insert a picture, but it kind of looks like a little alien dude. So obviously aliens are real because they knew. They low-key knew more than us. They knew aliens were real. It's so pretty up here. Like, I don't think the camera really does it justice at all, but like, it's so pretty. Like, honestly, I love Texas. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, to live out here would be like so cool. It's so pretty. Okay, so on this one we have a little sun right here. I'm not touching it if you're wondering, but it's right there. And then over here we have like a little bird, and my dad said this looks like it's like vomiting on the sun. So here we have a bird vomiting on the sun. There is no way that can mean anything else besides a bird vomiting on the sun. So experts, please comment down below if you'd like my help on any of your expeditions, because I am a genius. So this donkey looking one, I'm not really sure if it's a donkey, but it looks like a donkey, so we're gonna call it a donkey. That's there's a few more. They're just literally everywhere. Here we have a lizard, and then not sure what this is, and not really sure what this is either. It looks kind of like a cow, not sure though. What is it? Oh, it kind of looks like Wilson from Castaway.
Yeah.
Definitely what it is, 100%. We are now at the prehistoric village area, so they have like, we're gonna see like their houses that they lived in. If you can't read this when I'm editing, I'll insert a picture.
Yeah. So this is gonna lead to the reconstructed pit house.
Ooh, cool. So I'm just walking along this path to find this little house. Okay, so this says that this is a home from 1,000 years ago, and this is what it looks like. They like dug holes in the ground and covered them with whatever they had. And they also told us that whenever they were digging these up, they found like bones at the bottom of them. So they think that like they buried their family members at the bottom of them after they died, so that way the spirit could still be in the home, which is interesting. Okay, this sign says that this is a building of a later period, so probably not 1,000 years, maybe a little bit before that. Here's what the house looks like. Definitely has a better structure, so they got a better system going on here. I'm pretty impressed that both of them have held up this well, being as old as they are. So it's pretty cool. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I'm gonna do a little part 2 because it's just gonna be a multiple day trip, so I'm just gonna do part 2 so the vlog is not super long. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think